Hello, my dear KSJ family. How are you all? I hope all of you are preparing really well for your examinations, and I hope all of you are in the best of your health. And it is really important that as the exams are approaching, you should keep a very good check on your health. That is really important, sir. Okay, so I'm here to address a very common problem being faced by many students, sir, how to remember the theoretical concepts, how to prepare the theory paper. It is really, hard to remember the theoretical concepts, sir. How can we do that? So I'm giving you two simple tips. You can try and they might help you. Definitely, sir. I have tried and tested that and it used to help me. These two tips used to help me a lot. That is why I thought that why not share with you? The first thing is, whenever you are studying a theoretical topic, start writing a few points. Kuch kuch likhna start karo, sir. It is not necessary that you have to write the whole paragraph. Just write the small points, the crux point, whatever you are able to understand from that paragraph, right? That will really help because it is a psychological concept, sir. The more you write, the more you will remember. Whatever you have written in the notebook in the examination, you will definitely remember whatever you have written with your hand, right? In the examination, you will sit like this. Okay, in my notebook on the right hand side page, on this page, I have written this point, right? You will be able to recall. Even if you forget it, you will be able to recall it like this, right? The second thing you can apply in all the subject, whether it is a theoretical subject, whether it is a practical subject, but more of the application in the theory subject. If you are studying a topic today, you have spent 1 hour in understanding the concept of that topic today, make it a habit. Make it a habit to revise that topic at least for the next 3 days. But it is not like if you are spending 1 hour today, for the next 3 days also you have to spend 1 hour on that. No, sir. The next day you will spend just 20 minutes. Another next day you will spend another 15 minutes. Then the third day you will spend only 5 to 10 minutes revising that topic, right? And if you are going to do it for 3 days, then definitely that topic will have an imprint here, sir. छप जाएगा सर वो टॉपिक आपके दिमाग में. ट्राई करके देखो. Just try it, give it a try. It might work for many students, it might not work for some students, but this is tried and tested personally by me when I used to be in the school and college, and during my CA examination also I used to do this thing, right? So this is a very tried and tested technique. Just try it. The only thing that is very important along with the trying of this thing, the positive mindset. If you are doing it with the positive mindset, then you will definitely get a success in this thing, right? So these were the few strategies, the two tips I wanted to share regarding the theory subjects, that how you can proceed with it. And if you like the video, hit the like button, share with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, there is lots and lots of free content coming up. The revision sessions are in the process, so please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for all the notifications. See you guys. All the best for your exam preparation. God bless you all. Thank you so much.